So what we're trying to do here is update the Jamaicans, meet with the Jamaican community to let them know what we're doing, the committee that we formed to get support in order to send funds and clothing and whatever Jamaica needs to recover from this hurricane. That is what we're doing here today. And so the meeting went well. It was a small group, but we're organizing ourselves and we're getting more and more support and spreading the word within the community. We need beds, cots, generators, we need batteries, we need anything to do with electricity recovery. So like the power is off, the internet is down, and there's a rebuilding effort that needs to take place. So we need that. The other thing also that we need are medical professionals, because the hospitals have been destroyed. So we need help in that. So nurses, doctors, or any sort of help that we can need. In terms of material needs, we need beds, cots, sanitary products. Those things are also important for us as well. The consulate of Jamaica is issuing donation letters, and we have one of our they can contact the consulate directly. I'll leave the phone number, and we'll also connect to the to members of our committee who will be able to they can contact at any time to provide help or to provide guidance on how to help us in this effort. We talked today with Free Winds about a concert. We're thinking about a telethon. We're thinking about any other events that can get support from the general community that can raise the funding as quickly as possible to send to Jamaica. And we're working with the Red Cross. They're an integral partner in all of this as well. The community of Aruba has been very outpouring. The support has been outpouring. It reflects the love and the blessings in this community. We are hoping that the telethon and the concert that we put on will bring more people to support us. And the Red Cross boxes are being distributed throughout the island, throughout businesses on the island. So wherever they see that, please make an effort to make a small donation. It doesn't matter how small it is. It will help the community in Jamaica to recover from this catastrophe. 35 people have died so far, and 90,000 people are basically homeless. And some communities are cut off. So this matter is serious. It's dire in some cases, and any effort will help. Thank you.